Yeah, hi, we are from SVSEMBEDDED. So the project title name is IoT based paralysis patient healthcare monitoring system using Arduino and GPRS modem GSM SIM 800C. So in this project we are using one 9 volts adapter power source, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output. It gives to 80 mega 2.60 board, and we are using 3 sensors: LM35 temperature sensor connected to the ADC 0, and body fault detection sensor connected to the ADC 8 and ADC 9, and ECG connected to the ADC 3, and GPRS modems GSM SIM 800C connected to the RX3 TXC serial communication third pin, and APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC. It connected to the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12 8 ohm speaker voice recorded and playback IC. 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. So flux sensor 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 4 flux sensor connected to the ADC 4, ADC 5, ADC 6, ADC 7. So this is our total block diagram of the project. And let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and that connected to the power GSM module, power supply, and as well as the power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So why we are using two power supply means some components utilizing temperature sensor, ECG, and the LCD and Arduino board, one power supply, and other power supply is connected to the ADXL 335 and APR 33A3, and flux sensors connected to the other power supply board. So two power supply for some components and other some components. So here we are using LM35 temperature sensor. Okay, so here we are using GSM SIM 800C. Okay, so here if you press this, it will come outside. Okay, if you press, it will go inside. If you press, it will come outside. Okay, so now slowly take outside. Okay, the SIM card should be come outside, and slowly insert it. Okay, the cut should be always outside cut. Okay, SIM, and press it, it will go inside, and taking time slowly. Okay, GSM SIM 800C GPRS modem, we are enabling the internet onto this SIM card. Okay, press it, it will go inside. Okay, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Arduino Mega 2.60 board, ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor, and ECG module, LM35 temperature sensor. Okay, already said. So here APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, and 8 ohm speaker, and these are the leads. And here we are using total 4 flux sensor. Flux sensor 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so don't use again and again, it will make damage. Okay, when we are use, you can use. Okay, flux sensor 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now I'm going to start the power. So we are using the app. Okay, so here temperature, ECG, fault detection, date and time. So when I start 30th 31st date, and today is the 6th date for testing. Okay, main screen. Okay, now if anything should be happen, like I already did, no water, no I need water, food, fresh air, washroom, help me, back fallen, over temperature, left fallen. Okay, okay, so here now I'm going to start the power supply. So IoT based automated paralytic patient GSM testing, GSM connected. Okay, GSM main, HTTP1. So T for temperature, E for ECG, fault detection. Okay, so normal fingers. So every time it will come as it is. Now I am going to take a doop stick. Okay, now I am giving the temperature sensor. Okay, for taking the output, temperature output. Okay, yeah, temperature 42. Temperature 40 and above, it will send SMS alert, email alert, and sending the data to temperature 47. GPRS sending. Okay, send completed. Now it will update temperature data. It will update, yeah, temperature 47, and there is no fault detection. Okay, there is no fault detection, and we will get the SMS alert. I will get one SMS, and I added your number also. You will get first SMS your number, and second me. Okay, okay, we will get the SMS alert here. Okay, the temperature is 47. Okay, so now I am going for the fault detection. Okay, like front fallen I will take. Okay, the front fallen. So this is left fallen, right fallen, front fallen, and back fallen. There are 4 directions. Okay, so the direction should be, so if you take it like left fallen, right fallen, front fallen, back fallen, four fallen, yeah, front fallen. Okay, so the fault detection sensor, if yeah, it goes to S. Okay, so it said as a S. Okay, so here it will come the SMS alert. Okay, ECG only the graph. Okay, so now I'm going to bending the fingers. Okay, so first finger I am bending. Okay, first finger I am bending. Water, 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 sending SMS 1, SMS 2. Okay, T for temperature, E for ECG, X coordinate, Y coordinate, normal. Okay, now I am bending second. Okay, so normal. Okay, so now I am bending the second finger. Okay, food, power supply board, SIM 800C, LM35 temperature sensor, Arduino Mega 2560, and ECG module, APR 3383 voice recorded and playback IC. Sending completed. Okay, every time it will send, every 10 counts it will send the data to server, whatever the temperature, and if fault detection, yes or no. Okay, there is no fault detection and normal temperature. Okay, so now I am going to bend third finger. Fresh air, fresh air, fresh air, fresh air. Okay, fresh air, fresh air. Now I am going to bend little finger. Washroom, 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 washroom. Okay, so washroom. I want fresh air. Okay, some maybe loose contact. Okay, so I will glue all the wires. Okay, now I am going to bend 1 and 2. Help. Okay, 16 cross 2 LCD display, 8 ohm speaker, and the APR 3383 voice recorded and playback IC. And this is our total block diagram of the project. Please help me. Now I'm going to take temperature output. Okay, so left to fall detection. Yeah, left to fallen. Okay, fall detection, it will go yes. Yeah, it goes to yes. Okay, so now there is a temperature sensor. Temperature 45, 46. Okay, send completed. Action, send. Okay, temperature 46 came. 46 came. SMS alert, it will come. Second SMS, temperature SMS, and you will get fall detection also. Temperature 46. And this is block diagram of the project, and this is hardware kit of the project. Thank you. And this is okay.